Hello, friends. Life is full of colors, and the best way you can express your feelings and expressions to someone or the whole world is through paintings.
Friends, for the next 5 to 6 minutes, I guarantee you a treat for your eyes. What you're going to see, you're not only going to see, but you're going to learn how to paint because I am bringing you a complete demonstration of all these paintings through my painting tutorial. Just hold on for a moment, take a deep breath, and let's start. Friends, in this tutorial, we start with covering some essential theory and important concepts before we dive into the actual painting tutorials. After that, we will move on to our practical session. We will practice a few drawing exercises to warm up our hands so we can accurately sketch our outlines onto the canvas. Getting the basic outline right is crucial as it sets up the entire foundation for the rest of our painting.
Hello, friends. If you are a beginner, uh, drawing skills is really important before you start painting. Uh, the experienced people can directly, use a brush to guess the size and shape of the object, and they can always uh, straight away go for painting before doing even the borders or the drawing. But for example, if you are a beginner, then you can use this technique. So for example, you're drawing this I'm painting this jug with an apple and a pear. So what I've done here is, so friends, if you are interested to paint realistic apples like this one, and then paint realistic grapes like this, or a pear like this one, and of course many more items like this jug. You will learn how to draw straight lines also, color them, draw properly, and bring the items into shape, whether it's a fruit or a jug. Learn all the light and dark, warm and cool colors, how I'm doing it.
I'll also be demonstrating my small studio where I do all my paintings. You're going to check out all the brushes which I use and the colors which I use. And I'll also be starting with introducing some of the colors and the various ways I use them. All that is present in this tutorial, friends. So definitely this is going to be a great learning experience.
Going Q-U-I-A-N-G, Wang's painting. I've just reproduced it, and I hope you have seen this painting also.
friends can also be a great gift to your relatives, your children, or your friends who have the passion of painting but never have got the opportunity to learn from someone. And this is available online, so one can just sit at home or at any place, at any comfortable place, just start connect to the internet and start learning at their will and wish, at the comfortable time at home or any place. So friends, what better way to learn and take your own time, pause whenever needed, and start again and take off from where you stop.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Once you make the payment, you will receive the link. Friends, this is not all. I'm going to add many more paintings, and you just have to pay a one-time fee for this whole course. And that means for the new paintings, you don't have to pay anything more. Friends, just imagine having all these paintings in your drawing room or in your bedroom and seeing them daily and appreciating yourselves. Friends, I'm going to make it easy for you. Please go through all the details of my painting tutorial.
Believe me, once you go through all this process, you learn what are the colors and how I apply them, seeing it in the canvas on the live demonstrations of hours of painting. I'm sure you will definitely be able to implement all these tools and techniques and tips and tricks I'm using and doing it live for you, and it will definitely help you make a great painting artist. On top of that, if you are interested to do it in chart paper, if not on canvas, you can always go ahead and practice it on a chart paper first and then buy the canvas, because the canvas materials are a little bit costly. It will be an immense learning for you, my friends, if you are starting to learn painting or you have it as a hobby, you don't have the time. It will be a great reference for you, and I believe me, it is going to stay for lifelong. We buy so many items which expire, including our laptops, computers. But this thing, my friend, it will last till the last day of our life. If you have the hobby of painting, if you love colors, then go for it.
Thank you very much, friends. Happy painting.